Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I want to show you how I assemble my parfait. First off, I'm going to pour my already made yogurt into the glass cup that I had brought out for this. It's going to be messy, so you want to place something under your cup so that everywhere does not get dirty. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my granola. I made this granola in my kitchen. The videos to this how to make this granola and how to make the yogurt are up on my channel. Then, because I couldn't find fruits around where I stay, I could only find apple. I could not find grapes and any other fruit around except oranges and tangerine. I stay in a village right now. I have to go with apple, and I tell you, this apple tasted so nice with the granola. It tasted so well. So when I'm done assembling the granola, I'll put in the apple, layer by layer, and then I'll go in with an extra yogurt on the top. So once I've added this yogurt, I want to go in with another layer of granola. We want this rich and very nice. Yes, you don't want it to be like it's lacking something. Then I'll go in with another layer of yogurt, and then I'll top in again with a little bit granola and then the apple one more, to make this look pleasing to the eye and satisfying. So guys, are you going to try this out? If you want a video on how to make this granola, it is on my channel. If you want a video on how to make your own yogurt starter so that you can be able to make your own yogurt at the comfort of your home, it's also up on my channel. Do well to check it out, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're returning viewer, I love you so much. Thank you for coming back. Till next time, guys. Bye.